अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स। आज मैं आपके लिए लेके आई हूँ इंडिपेंडेंस डे वोकैबुलरी। इस वीडियो में आपको बहुत से लफ्ज़ों के इंग्लिश में मीनिंग्स और उसके साथ साथ सिनोनिम्स भी मिलेंगे। फर्स्ट वन है इंडिपेंडेंस। Independence Day, the state of being free from external control and influence, especially in governing oneself or a nation. Its synonym is autonomy. Next one is liberty. It means the condition of being free within society from oppressive restrictions imposed by authority on one's way of life, behavior, or political views. Its synonym is freedom. Next one is freedom. It means the power or right to act, speak, or think as one wants without hindrance or restraint. Its synonym is liberation. Next word is patriotism, the feeling of love, devotion, and sense of attachment to one's country and its value. Its synonym is nationalism. Next one is revolution. It means a forcible overthrow of a government. Its synonym is uprising. Next one is democracy. It means a system of government by the whole population, typically through elected representative. Its synonym is self-rule. Next one is constitution, a body of fundamental principles, and its synonym is charter. Next one is declaration. It means a body of fundamental principles, and its synonym is proclamation. Next one is sovereignty. It means supreme power or authority, and its synonym is supremacy. Next one is citizenship. It means the status of being a citizen with rights and duties, and its synonym is membership. Next one is national anthem. It means a solemn patriotic song officially adopted by a country. Its synonym is hymn and also national song. Next one is firework. It means explosive devices used for entertainment, often associated with celebrations. Its synonym is patriotic techniques. Next one is flag. It means a piece of fabric with a distinctive design used as a symbol of a nation, state, or organization. Its synonym is banner. Next one is parade. It means a public procession celebrating a special day or event, often including marching bands, floats, and displays. Its synonym is procession. Last but not least is ceremony. It means a formal event held on special occasions such as the celebration of Independence Day. Its synonym is rite. थैंक यू। अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई और वर्ड्स आप कोई वर्ड्स पहले जानते हैं प्लीज़ कमेंट बिलो एंड लाइक शेयर माय चैनल विथ योर फ्रेंड्स एंड आल्सो सब्सक्राइब। थैंक यू।